Hey guys, and welcome to the intro for functions. Now, functions are like variables, so whatever you put in it, it's gonna come out whenever you call this name. For example, a variable works like this, right? A is equal to, let's say, hey there. And if I was to print I would get hey there, right? It's similar to function, so I can say define, let's say hey underscore there, and we're gonna put this right here, and we're going to press enter. Now you see it went one down. Now that means whatever we put right in here, like this, it's gonna print it out. And if I was to go back there with a backspace, it will not be considered inside the code. So I'm gonna say print hello. And to print this, we're just gonna say hello there, and hello there, and it's gonna print us hello. So what is the difference between a variable and a function? Now the difference is this: in variable I can't go ahead and be like, actually let's do it like this. I can't go like range 10 and like, or let's say for I in range 10, print, just like that, print I. Like if I try to do that, it's gonna give me an error because that's not what variables are created for. But if I was to come here and I was to say, actually let's make a new one. Let's say define numbers, let's say, and let's just go ahead and do that, enter, and we're gonna say this: for x in range 10, print x. And if I was to say numbers and run it, it would give me all the numbers from 0 to 9. So you see, you can have codes inside functions but not in variables. Or I can say like, if I was to say enter, or I can say like for x in like, or I can just say print hey, just like that, and it would print me like 0 to 9 and then hey. Like, so you can have codes inside functions but not in variables. So it's really simple. I hope you guys understood today's lesson. See you guys in a brand new video.